This beautiful sailboat is our 1984 Shannon 43 Ketch, hole number 3. The Shannon Boat Company has been building quality yachts since 1975, and for two-person sailing and living aboard, this 43 Ketch is perfect. It has 2 private staterooms and 2 heads providing luxury accommodations. What's more, this specific yacht had a major factory refit. The current owners purchased this boat in 2014, and in 2016 it was returned to the Shannon Boat Company in Bristol, Rhode Island for a major overhaul. The refit was supervised by the original boat builder and company owner Walt Schultz. There was a ton of work done at that time, so definitely take a look at the listing to see the extensive records. Some highlights include installation of a bow thruster, genset, electrical wiring replacement, and much more. Designed for offshore cruising, you can see this concept throughout the boat. The cockpit is protected by a Sunbrella Dodger and Bimini and has deep seats that allows crew to brace their feet against the opposite side. The cockpit is self-bailing with oversized scuppers, and the cockpit grate is a sturdy teak. There is teak all throughout the cockpit, from the folding table and cup holders to the steering wheel. Features include 2 large cockpit lazarettes and B&G electronics. The way forward is clear, another detail you can attribute to the emphasis on the offshore cruising design. The teak handrails and double lifelines are sturdy and safe. The teak bow platform is at the very front and features the anchor rollers, and windlass. She has a custom stainless steel main sheet traveler bridge. She has a unique Shannon-designed scudder rig with Genoa aft of the working jib. Her masts are anodized aluminum and the main is keel stepped. As we move below, the amount of warm woodwork inside is stunning, featuring teak and other hardwoods. The galley is the first thing you see as you come down the companionway, but right across is the aft cabin and day head. The aft cabin is well lit and the berth is surprisingly roomy even if you're tall. There is plenty of storage in the form of drawers, cabinets, and a hanging locker. The cabin also has private access to the head. The aft head is just forward of the aft cabin, but it can also be accessed from the salon. It features a head, sink and vanity, and a lot of storage. The head and separate shower were designed in a way that allows you to brace against motion. Across from the head is the galley, the centerpiece of the interior. The U-shaped galley is designed so that you can brace yourself yet still reach everything and continue to work. There's a bunch of storage throughout, as well as a neatly hidden microwave. Other features include a gimbal 3-burner stove and oven, refrigerator and freezer, wide Formica counters, and deep double stainless steel sinks. Tucked behind the galley is the navigation station. It has a center swivel seat and it has been reconfigured for use with a laptop for navigation. Electronics are all within arm's reach. The interior is bright and airy with many opening ports and hatches for airflow, but there is also air conditioning for ultimate comfort. The main salon has a straight settee to one side and an L-shaped settee surrounding a teak table to the other. The settee can be pulled out to turn into a berth, and there's a lot of storage outboard. The teak table in the center has drop leaves for space savings and hidden storage. The overhead handrails are through-bolted for strength. The second cabin is all the way forward with a berth that is once again surprisingly roomy and long. There is abundant storage throughout this cabin with cabinets and lockers on both sides. This cabin also has a private ensuite head. The head features a sink and vanity, even more storage, and a combined head and shower. Once again, it has been designed for easy bracing while in use. Easily accessible under the companionway steps is the 50 horsepower Beta Marine diesel engine that was installed in 2013 and has been very well maintained. This 1984 Shannon 43 is perfect for weekend sailing or for long distance passage making. She's fast on all points, seaworthy, and comfortable, and not to mention the major factory refit in 2016. There are a substantial amount of updates, so please make sure to look at the listing for even more details. The current owners have lived aboard full-time for 5 of the past 7 years and have cruised all over, and this boat is fully ready and equipped for extended cruising. As always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. And for more listings, visit our website.